and the first song is called Lemon Cake. When you're dancing like a cornstalk that is tied onto a string, you're a liar when you tell me that it doesn't mean a thing. And your soul takes flight and lifts you like an early morning dove, and the people standing watching you feel overwhelmed with love. And yes, it was a Wednesday night, and the dance hall had all filled up with light, and our beers had long ago turned warm, but our hands and feet kept moving us till dawn. Oh yes, oh yes. Thank you.
Woo! I'm trapped in my own confusion, and my head feels like it's shrinking out of me. Now I've reached some kind of conclusion. I'm not sure that it's gonna set me free, and I wish I could make a decision without having to consult anyone. Cause now there's sneaking suspicion, my chances of condemning are long gone. Yeah, cause I see it for in the road ahead. Maybe I want to take on a Buffy, but I know somehow that I'm being led when all I can want is to be free. Yeah, cause I see it for in the road ahead. And maybe I want to take on a Buffy, and I know somehow that I'm being led when all I can want is to be free.
There it is!
Thank you.
Woo! Dave Moss!
This is called the House of Peace.
1, 2, 3.
In the House of Peace, you can sleep with your loved ones. In the House of Peace, you can cut your own hair. In this House of Peace, you can cry all you want to. You can dance your own dance.
Are you enjoying the party, Helen?
I'm loving it!
Cool.
Yeah!
Good.
I'm loving this!
It's quite a nice atmosphere, isn't it?
It's beautiful, why don't you do more?
We're called Come After. I know you probably want to sit down now or talk and stuff, but you can't.